Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 28th program. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it. Now we'll type the program. In this program we will learn how to use a tag. A means anchor tag, which defines hyperlink, which is used to link from one page to another page. We'll start with HTML tag, head tag, title tag. We'll give title link tag. We'll end the title tag. We'll end the head tag. Now we'll start the body tag. Now we'll start a HREF tag, which is used to link the document. Here we will give the file name which we are going to link, and here we are giving the color, background color. Purple. And now we'll end the anchor tag, and BR means break tag. Now once again we will type it. We will give second file name as sc2.html, and here we will change the color to green. Now we'll end the A tag, and now BR tag. Now once again we will do the same. We will give the file name sc3.html, and here we will give color blue. Now we will end the A tag, and now we will end the body tag and HTML tag. So now we will save it with the extension HTML and in all files. Now we will make these three files: sc1.html, sc2.html, and sc3.html. So now we will make it. We are first making sc1.html, so we will make it HTML. We will give body BG color, which assigns the background color. Now we will start with h1 tag. Here we will type purple background, and we will end the h1 tag, and similarly body tag and HTML tag. Now we'll save it with sc1.html and in all files. So now we'll copy it. We'll copy the content and we'll paste it to new file. And now we'll make the necessary changes. Here we will change the color. We'll change color to green. Here also we will change color to green. Now we'll save it as sc2.html and in all files. Now we'll make new file sc3 and we'll paste the same, and now we'll once again make the necessary changes. Here we'll make the change in color. We'll change it to blue color, and now we'll just save it with sc3 and extension html and in all files. Now let us check the output. HTML folder, 28th program, here purple. So the background here appears is purple. We'll click it to green, then the background will be green. And now we'll click it to blue, then the background will be blue. Here you can see the file name also. The title tag. So this is the basic output of 28th program.